Hey everyone, Adrienne here, Indiana Backyard Gardener. I am bringing you your list for the week for our spring planting series. And this is a direct sowing list. Okay guys, because you know I don't do indoor seeds very well. So I like to do everything outside if I can do it, because I really don't like to have to babysit seedlings indoors and set up grow lights and all that good stuff. So I like to make my life easier, and I like to direct sow my seeds. So this is a direct sowing list, okay? These are seeds that you can seed outside under a single layer of protection. So I did go over like single layers of protection and that type of thing, like in the very first video, if you want to go back to that. But for the week of April 14th, outside under a single layer of protection, we can do artichoke, beans. Beans is new this week. We can do beans, celery, cilantro, corn. Corn is new this week. Cucumber, melons. We could do melons this week. Oric, sage, squash, and thyme. That's a short list of things that you can do outside under a single layer of protection. Now, we have moved on to what we can do outside under no protection, that we don't need any protection for. Just go outside and sow your seeds. And that is asparagus crowns, beets, bok choy, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, carrots, chives, collards, dill, endive, horseradish, kale, oregano, potatoes, radicchio, radish, rutabaga, salsify, sorrel, spinach, Swiss chard, and turnips. Okay, we can put all that stuff outside now. No protection. Go outside and sow your seeds. All right, so if you did want to start some things indoors, melons would be one of those things, and squash would also, and pumpkin indoors for right now. Yes, squash, melons, and pumpkins you can be starting indoors right now. All right, so that's gonna do it for the list for the week. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys have a great week ahead, and get outside and plant and plan and do all the things. Until next time, the more you know, the more you grow. Bye, guys.